If we're adding or subtracting fractions, our bottom number has to be the same. If it is the same, then all we're adding is the top numbers. So we've got 2, add 3, which is 5, and the bottom number stays the same. Again, when it comes to taking away, as long as your bottom numbers are the same, it's just the top numbers that you're working with. So we're going to have 5 take away 2, which is 3, and the bottom number is going to stay the same. So 3 over 8. Okay, here's one with different bottom numbers, so we have to make them the same. We're going to stick with smile and a kiss, so that means we are going to multiply our bottom numbers together. So multiplying our bottom numbers together, our new bottom number is going to be 15. So we're going to multiply our bottom numbers together, so 5 times 3 is 15, that's our new bottom number that we're working with. Then our kiss happens when we multiply across one way, so 3 times 3 is 9, so we get 9 here. Then we do the same this way, we're going to do 5 times 2, which is 10. That's us all set, our bottom numbers sorted out, and we just need to add the top numbers. So 9 add 10 is 19, bottom number stays the same. 19 over 15 is a top heavy, so we can change it. So how many 15s can we get out of 19? We can get 1. So we've got one whole number, and we would have 19 take away 15, we're going to have 4 left over, so that's a new number for our top. So that would change to 1 and 4/15. It's the same for taking away. Bottom numbers are different, we need to get them the same, so we're going to multiply them together, that's our smile. So 4 times 3 is 12, that's my new bottom number. Now the kiss, we're going to multiply across each way. So we've got 3 times 3, which is 9, and then we're going to do 4 times 1. So we've got 4 times 1, which is 4, so now we can just go ahead and do 9 take away 4. So we get 9 take away 4, which is 5. 5 over 12. So what if we have got mixed fractions? Well, deal with your big numbers first. So deal with the whole numbers first. So we're going to do add 2, add on 3. So 2 add on 3 is 5, and we've still got our half, and we still need to add on the 2/5. Different numbers, so we're going to make it the same bottom number by using smile and a kiss. So 2 times 5 is 10, our new bottom number is going to be 10. Then we're going to do our kiss, which is multiplying across. So we'll get 5 times 1, which is 5. 2 times 2, which is 4. Everything, we've got our bottom number the same, we can just go ahead and add. So we're going to have 5 and 9/10. So this one, we're taking away mixed fractions, so again, we're going to deal with the whole numbers first. So we're going to do 6 take away 3. So 6 take away 3 is 3, and then we've still got the 3/4 and take away a third. Different bottom numbers, smile and a kiss. So we multiply our bottom numbers together, our new bottom number is going to be 12, and then we're going to multiply across to get our kiss. So we've got 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 1 is 4. Now we're in a position just to finish off, so we're going to do 9 take away 4. So we're going to do 9 take away 4, which is 5. So our answer is 3 and 5/12.